In today's video, I'm going to teach you creating tags on ClickUp in seconds. Tags are a quick, flexible way to group tasks across lists and projects, making it easier to filter, report, and spot what matters at a glance. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to create a new tag, choose a highlight color, and keep your workspace neatly organized. Start by opening your ClickUp workspace and heading to the board view. Board makes tags easy to see right on each card, but you can follow along from any view you prefer. I'm working from a team space, though the process is the same whether you're in a space, folder, or list. Once you're in the right place, locate the task you want to work with. Open the task you want to tag. You can add tags to new or existing tasks. Both work the same way. If your task already has a tag, that's perfectly fine. ClickUp supports multiple tags on a single task, so you can stack them for richer filtering later. Inside the task, look for the Tags area. Click on the tab or field next to the Tags icon. This opens the tag input so you can search existing tags or create a new one. Start typing the tag name you want. If it already exists, select it to maintain consistency. If it doesn't exist, you're about to create it. Keep tag names short, clear, and consistent, so they're easy to scan and filter. Think in categories you'll actually use, like topic, status, or department. Before you finalize, choose a highlight. Clicking highlight lets you pick a color accent for your tag, which is especially useful in board view where color cues stand out. Pick a color that aligns with your system. Maybe all priority tags share a family of shades, or all design-related tags share a theme. The goal is fast visual recognition. Now, type your tag name and press Enter to add it. You'll see the new tag appear immediately on the task. Close the task to confirm it also shows on the card in board view.